Arutwo aria maraingira kirathi gia form 1 makambiriria kwamukira marua ma thukuru iria mundu ekuingira kiumia giukite thutha wa kurikirira kwa Mihang'o ya Woyani iria koretwo igithie na mbere kwa ihinda ria ciumia igiri. Akiaria thukuru-ini wa Kenya High, Minister wa githomo George Magoha augite mutaratara uyu utafanitio na njira ya uiganania gutigirira ona arutwo aria mari cigo-ini iria ikoretwo na uhaguku wa augiteri ni magia na mweke thukuru-ini iria iri gatũ guku bururi-ini.
Every sub county shall get its rightful share. Are we together here? And all the other things that appertains. For example, if we go to Lamu, which is an active area around Boni Forest, do you think I will allow a Nairobi child to take a chance which should have been given to Lamu? No. I shall not do so.
Maumirira ma Woyani wa arutwo aya makarekererio kiambiriria-ini gia kiumia giukite thutha ucio aciari makorwo makihariria arutwo mbere ya tamu ya mbere ya mwaka wa githomo wa 2022 yambiriirie mweri-ini wa gatano.
The results could be out if we are lucky, maybe Monday or Tuesday. When I want to go personally and make sure that nobody has corrupted and that we have protected the weakest link. If I have a grandchild, I can pay for that child anywhere. Do you get the point? If my Shamba boy has a grandchild and the child has passed well, don't you think we should protect that grandchild?
Ota hau kabere riria thirikari ikoretwo igiteithiriria arutwo kuma family iria itehotete mwaka uyu arutwo 9,000 nio megukorwo makigunika.
4,000 of those children will come from urban slums like the ones in Nyeri. I've been to all of them. And the others will now be to every sub-county, because I've known that even in Gatundu South, there are poor children there. Excuse me, please.
Ihinda-ini riu arutwo angi 10,000 aria marekite wega kigeranio-ini gia KCPE kuma family itehotete ni megukorwo makigunika rungu rwa tabarĩra ya Wings to Fly iria twarithagio na mbere ni bengi ya Equity. Kuringana na murugamiriri munene wa bengi ino Dagitari James Mwangi, mubango uyu ukinyanirio kuhitukira unyitaniri wa bengi ya Equity, thirikari ya Kenya hamwe na bengi nene ya thi.
Thirikari turamiuria ni undu wa hateka ya COVID aciari ni mahinyirikiire muno ko no ihote gutunyita mbaru ringi, na ndina gikeno ngiuga ni turerirwo ni Minister wa githomo ati thirikari ni gutuhe scholarship ingi 18,000.
Mwangi ekoragia o hindi igongona riria rikurehete hamwe arutwo a thukuru cia secondary aria magunikite na mutaratara uyu aria megucamanitie thukuru-ini wa anake wa Farisho county-ini ya Kirinyaga.
Jurie aciari mundu uremereirwo ni fees tuwe kamweke gaka ga kuria scholarship cia Wings to Fly na elimu scholarships. Scholarships icio igukorwo iri 10,000. Form ni igukorwo ikioywo branches ni ciothe kana agencies ciothe cia Equity.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, njitagwo Ngina Gwawadurwa.